In this video you will see how to use Google Form for quizzes or assignments. First you have to search Google Form. You will get the following results. Here you will select the first one. Now you will come to this page. Here you have to select the first option, Personal. Just click Go to Google Forms. When you click this, you will come to this page. Here you have to select blank option. In this section you can type the questions, and here we have first section for typing the title, and next here you can give any descriptions, and this is the area where you are going to type the first question. And using this plus symbol you can add more questions. And in this section here you can change the type of questions. Just click on down arrow mark and you will get the options. Here I select the short answer, and here I have the section for typing short answers so that the students can type the answers here. Next, paragraph. For paragraph also we have a long text, there students can type the answers. And next, multiple choice questions, and in this section you can add options for multiple choice. And if you want to give match the following type questions, you can use multiple choice grid. And here you can add section A and section B, and I will show you a sample. See, this will be the pattern of match the following type questions. After completing, students can submit the button. If you like to give compulsory questions, you can just turn on this button. And here this I symbol means you can view the question paper. After completion of question paper you can just click on this button so that you can view the full questions. After completing the questions you can send through this send button. You will come to this section after clicking send button. You can send through email, and this is the place where you have to type the mail addresses. Also you can send through links. You can send the links. See, this is our link, but the link is so lengthy. We have to make it short. Just tick this. See, now our link has become short, and after selecting the link just click copy. Now you can paste it on your classroom or through WhatsApp, and just go back to the page. And here you can change the settings. Just click here. Here we have 3 sections. In the first section just tick this one so that the students can answer one time. If you want students to edit the answers after submission, you can tick this one. And here presentation, here we have three options. You can tick the options as you need. Next we have quiz section. In this section you have to make it as a quiz, otherwise you will not be able to give marks for the quiz, for the questions. See down, if you would like to release the marks after submission, you can select immediately after each submission, or if you want to check the answers manually, you can select the second option, and after checking you can send the marks through email. And here, if you would like to give marks for the questions or assignments, you have to tick here. And next, if you want to release the marks after each submission, you have to click this answer key. Just click there. When you click there, it will come to this page, and here you have to choose the correct answers. So which is the correct answer you have to choose, and also you can assign points for the questions. After that, just click done. Next, multiple choice question also have answer key. Just click there. Here you have to select the correct answer and also assign point. Here you can add feedback for the answers, for wrong answer and correct answer. Just click there and it will come to this page. Here for incorrect answers you can write any feedback, and also for correct answers you can give feedback, and after that just click save. Now here we have two sections, questions and responses. We have already completed questions, and now we will go to responses. When you click here, you will have three sections: summary, question and individual. If you want to view individual answer papers, you can click on individual, so you will get the individual sheet of the answers. And this section, accepting responses, if you turn off this one, students will not be able to answer the questions again. And if you want to take printout of the notes, you can use this printer button.